Coach, 0-2 tapos siyempre nandun din yung situation with mom mo.
Mm.
Ah,
Well, I'm not, ano naman, no, putting forward any excuses. Of course, malaking bagay si Mamu sa amin, pero dapat siguro tanggapin na namin yung reality na nasa ibang team na siya. No? But, of course, it's a loss. Masama loob namin, natalo kami. 0-2 kami. Pero may mga silver lining pa rin. No? Yung si Deo played well. No? He's one person who can take up the minutes of namin. Of course, hindi naman isang tao lang talaga ang magko-contribute doon sa nawala namin. I think it's still going to be by committee. I'm a little disappointed with our guard defense. No? Kasi ang umatay sa amin, sina Brickman, sina Pangero. No, we defended them really poorly. And ganun din nangyari sa amin sa Blackwater. No? We couldn't defend sina RK Lagan, sina Panopio, sina Bearfield. So we're really having issues and problems with our defense concerning our guards. So kung sino yung pumatay sa amin o kung ano yung problema namin ng Blackwater, ito ulit yung naging problema namin. It's really our matchups with the opposing guards. So we have to address that in the next game. We have to be able to find a solution. Yung bigs namin, import namin, wala ka namang wala ka namang hihingin, no? At 28 points, 10 rebounds. I think he's almost 80% from the field, no? Mataas ang efficiency rate niya. But he cannot do it alone. We will have to give him support and play defense on the other end. Tingin namin dito, no, moving forward, you have to win 5 of your 10 games to have a chance. No? So we still have 8 games. So in the 8 games, I think we can still win 5 of the 8. No? And, we're still in the race. So we'll see next week. No? Crucial yung next week sa amin. Phoenix tsaka Ginebra kalaban namin Tuesday and Sunday. So I think next week will determine if we can get back into this race.
Pero mga update lang sa mga injured players na sila.
Pringle can make it before the long break. No? Si Felix can make it after the long break na. No? So ito yung mga problema namin sa Guardia. No? Si Jun Roque and si Kit Datu next conference na yung mga yun. Si Santi siguro after the long break makakabalik din. So, yun nga, maraming injured pero hindi hindi sapat yun para maging maging excuse namin for losing games. I don't think that's the real reason.
Coach, kanina ba do you feel your sense na nakamove on naman mga players mo with the trade or parang tingin mo effective pa rin sila?
Kahit pa paano meron pa rin. No? This is our first game without Mamu. So meron pa rin yan. No? Kaya lang we try to avoid talking too much about it and kasi nagiging distraction siya, no? So even sa dugout, we try not to discuss yung nakaraan or yung sitwasyon kay Mamo. Kayo lang ang tanong ng tanong, kaya nasa usapan pa eh, no? Gusto namin maging masaya siya doon at maging masaya kami sa nilalaro namin.
Kung sino natin captain ngayon?
Si Kaylan na.
Okay.
Si Kaylan na kasi siya naman yung assistant team captain nung si Mamo.
Pati sa preparation sa Phoenix, wala rin mention of Mamo.
Wala rin. We will just treat it like a regular game. Nagre-request lang si Bo na kahit 3 minutes daw ipasok siya, nasa kasabay ni Mamo. Siya na raw bahala.
Coach, ito nga yung trade kay Mamo, how will that affect yung negotiations yung with Andre?
We're not in an emergency or urgent situation doon sa situation ni Andre. Extended naman siya until December. No? So, mahaba pang oras para pag-usapan.
Nakakarinig ba ng love sa inyo si Mamo against Phoenix?
Wala akong balita. Yung sabihin
Game during
depende. Alam naman nila na mahal namin si Mamo pero pagka nasa ibang team ka na, ibang usapan natin.